Hey, there we go. Okay, audio's good. How's everyone doing? And pop the chat. Zeno, we got Umer, we got Note, we got Duka Duke, Rupee to the moon. How's it going, man? Alright, so yesterday we took a trade on Bingx. Apparently it's the battery for mouse. Okay. We rushed the trade after we missed the trade for Bingx, and hence that was a loss. So we'll just be tracking all of our live trades here on this journal. We'll be trading on Bingx. If you're new to this channel, come join our Discord. We have an amazing community. We've been growing, and please join before Christmas because we have a lot of giveaways coming down the line. We're gonna have a Christmas party here on Discord as well on December 16th. Lots of giveaways, including the where is it? Klein Funding will be giving away 20 6K evaluation accounts for you guys. Okay, I know Note likes them. This guy's a beast for prop firm. He knows what to do. Note knows. All right, let's see how the market is doing right now. We're gonna be entering a trade later in the new 4-hour candle in 30 minutes. For the time being, we have our ranges already marked out. The red lines are the 4-hour open closes. The white lines are the hourly open closes. Okay, so any overextension towards here will just counter trend that. We'll take a reversal back towards the mean. I think for the time being, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 hours we've been ranging inside here. You had a dip towards 89,000. I was in the gym at that time. I was like, what the? But then it got absorbed back up quickly, accepting back inside this range. We'll validate this with our order flow in a bit. Let's see how the market is doing right now. Very on edge, I think the market is. Fear and greed index for CoinMarketCap puts us at 25, still in fear territory. Altcoin season, 21 out of 100. Average crypto RSI puts us at neutral, 45. Bitcoin at 90,400. Ethereum at 3,120, holding pretty okay, just above 3,100. XRP still at $2. BNB 888, lucky Chinese number. 8 is the number for luck in Chinese culture. Solana at 132, which is a bit disappointing because I think last night it went to 138. I think when New York session opened around 11 o'clock last night, I saw a big dump for BTC, and I think Sol took a very big hit. Hyperliquid as well. Hyperliquid down here, $28. Yesterday was at 31, 32-ish, right? But now it's at 28. Pretty scary. Zcash at $419. Quite okay. It's holding pretty quick. Past 7 days up 28% for Zcash, so it's still on the pullback. It's ranging after its highs. Soy at $1.60. Man, I really want to see soy above $2. I still have quite a few soy related tokens parked in DeFi, and also soy memes. Sudang, yes, Sudang. AVAX $13.70. I think down the line for AVAX would be a very interesting play in the narrative of tokenization. Recently, you had Netflix acquiring Warner Brothers for how much again? How much? $82.7 billion. Okay, one of the subsidiaries of Netflix is researching deep and is executing operations for tokenization. Now, I don't know if that will be soon to come, but the chain that they've chosen, at least a subsidiary of Netflix, I forgot what is it called. It starts with the letter W. They're doing it on AVAX, so that should be on the radar too for tokenization. Let's see crypto bubbles. Anything popping? Zcash today performed the best past 24 hours. Canton Network up 12%. Now, anything that is popping up here in crypto bubbles, I'll be putting it here on degen alerts. So Alchemist, this thing popped off a couple of days ago and it's still holding at 19 cents. It's not wanting to go. It nearly corrected 50% of this move to this move. What? Oh, it actually made a new high, huh? Okay, so let's assume this was created, okay, 50% correction already right after the 3rd hour of the new high being formed. So it's accepting above here, but if no new buyers are gonna come in, I think maybe we can actually look for a short for Alchemist AI. I don't know, food for thought. Yes, Friday as well. Was it Friday? Yeah, Terra Luna Classic pumped really high. Now it's still already corrected 50%, but still back inside. Moonbeam yesterday was the biggest pump. It was up 57%. Now it's correcting 50%, accepting below 50%. Maybe can look for a short for Moonbeam. I'll have alerts set at this level right here, but technically already corrected 50% on that 1 hour candle. Interesting. All right, let's see. So that's for one. Market cap rank 1 to 100, 100 to 200. This one's stable. This one, I saw my MEXC notification came up. It was down 57%. Now it's down 34.2%. What is this? I don't even know what this is. What is stable? No idea, but it's in the BNB chain. What's that? Stable.xyz. Stablecoin payment rail for the world. Okay, so it's I assume it's a governance token. All right. Fartcoin down 9.2%. So I'm already in a long for Fartcoin since 36-ish. I said that on the stream. If you follow that, any dips, notable dips for Fartcoin, I'm just gonna buy it. Whatever, manual stops. So if these lows get taken out, I'm gonna close my Fartcoin longs. But Fartcoin for the time being is still very strong. It's been consistently making new highs, new highs, new highs, new highs, new highs, new highs. But as of Monday, it got rejected. Seems like the 40-cent sell wall is pretty strong. People are offloading here around 40 cents. So small size for now if you're gonna be hoping for that big pump for Fartcoin. That's what I'm thinking. I was thinking like maybe we can have the same thing that happened here, right? The March lows where we called a bid for 36 cents, and then May it made a high at $1.65. That was an insane move. Same thing, I think, same narrative as well for CT. They're thinking, oh, what if we also move the same way we did move here? So I did a preliminary research for Ask Surf and compare what are the structural differences for Fartcoin. Okay, here. No need to read these ones, but pay more attention to the macro structure, to the lows of March 2025, which is this one, right? Then that would eventually see price to $1.64 in May 2025. Are there any similarities in volume, on-chain metrics, or macro environment that would suggest a potential big pump? Because even though, yes, it looks very similar, we're at the lows, you also have to keep in mind the environment now could be a bit different from March. And Ask Surf is saying that verdict December 2025, which is right now, shows partial structural similarities to March 2025 lows, but with critical differences that weaken the pump case. Alright, whale accumulation. Yo, what's up, Martin? How you doing?
What's up? How's everyone doing?
Doing good, man. Doing good. We're looking at crypto bubbles. Right now, we're looking at Fartcoin though. Okay, so here. So yeah, we do know that whales have been accumulating since the 20 cents. They've purchased, I think, $10.7 million worth of Fartcoin that started the whole move for Fartcoin towards the upside. But then again, you know, the environment's a bit different because on-chain activity, they said, or at least Ask Surf is saying, is 1,000 times lower in December, suggesting speculative leverage rather than organic accumulation. The data does not support high confidence in a March to May magnitude pump. Because what I'm thinking is, this lows we're seeing for Fartcoin right now, can we see the same that happened in March 2025? Remember I said that, right? We bid the liquidity void. Okay, back when we were trading buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity. I barely use that now. Actually, I don't even use ICT concepts anymore for that. But that was a good play. Dipped here and then rode up. Can we see that again? Asterf is saying not really. Maybe not. Maybe simply because on-chain activity seems lower now, right? Everyone is on edge. Everyone is on edge with the feds. And with the whole situation of the Japan story. Okay, remember, in terms of macro data, we're still in the dark. You have a bunch of news and a bunch of events coming up soon this week, and you're questioning yourself, why is the market not moving? Well, because the big boys that are moving the prices are kind of risk off right now. They're moving more towards stocks, which is why I've said here in the macro, please also pay attention if I post here, that it's showing on market risk on market rotation, such as in the S&P sectors. You see utilities, healthcare, consumer staples, materials, these are down, but consumer discretionary, information technology, financials, communication services, industrials, they're up. And what are these assets related to? Well, they're subject to interest rate change, right? So they're gearing up for that move, but you need to be cautiously optimistic too, because the Nasdaq has been grinding up, but the volume distribution is quite even. You can see as of yesterday, the stocks that have been up on volume is 194 stocks, but down on volume is 186 stocks. If you want to see a bull market, you want to see 500 stocks going up. Oh wait, sorry, this is not Nasdaq. This is this is not S&P 500. You want to see a huge proportion of stocks up on volume, but because now it's like even, and you have the Nasdaq grinding up slowly, but it's not showing commitment of a bull market. So let's see where Nasdaq is right now. Nasdaq as of yesterday, closed bearish, but it's ranging here. You see, whenever price is doing this sort of thing, it's so sus. And in terms of market structure too, you created a new high here and you break this lower high here. This is my entry model. Yes, we've corrected 50% of it. It's accepting above 50%, but it's not bull market territory until you break 26,400. Okay, so any pumps here is cautiously optimistic, and I think a lot of global investors are thinking the same way. They're waiting it out, they're waiting the Japan story, and plus a lot of the data that are coming out, we're still in the dark. Next week, you have a lot of information too coming out, a lot of news, a lot of events, including...
Next 2 days, right?
Yeah, that's the FOMC,
yeah.
But the question you also have to ask yourself was, okay, after FOMC meeting, okay, we get the rate cut, what's gonna happen next? All right, what's the next narrative that can sustain the markets to go full degen mode? Well, let's see. Next week you have US side, let's see.
Okay, hold up guys, I'll be in the support in the comments. My nose is so fucking stuffy.
Okay, come back when we 4 o'clock. We'll trade at 4. Okay, so next Tuesday you have ADP weekly employment change, but note that these are September's readings. Okay, they're still not caught up to October and November. You also have PMI, but those are up to date, but labor market still lagging behind. Unemployment claims as well. And mostly, yeah, labor market data is still in the dark. There's still September's reading. So you kind of want to like wait. Like if you are a big boy, big market whale, you kind of want to see first. You need some clarity before moving big into the market and go full degen mode. They are moving big size, but they are also hedging accordingly. Okay, you can see in terms of commodities as well, gas, soybean, silver, gold, they're kind of down as of the first week of December. But what went up? Iron ore, corn, Brent crude oil, wheat, crude oil, coal, copper to the moon. Why is copper pumping? Well, it suggests manufacturing is expanding. Right, you need copper to build shit. So I think that's why copper is pumping as of the first week of this month. Okay, Forex market, look, a lot of the currencies paired against the US dollar is up. You see DXY index, this is the US dollar strength, down. All right, this is good. They're rotating, they're moving out of US dollar now and parking, I think, mostly into yen. You can see JPY here is up 0.23%. Okay, bond market weekly performance as well, pretty slow for the weekly performance as of first week this month. Okay, so remain vigilant for Fed policy shifts or inflation surprises that could reverse the optimism. Even though the odds for a 25 basis point cut is 87.2%, let's assume this is already priced in. Ask yourself this: are you happy with BTC's performance up until now? Hell no, not me. Right? If we're pricing in a rate cut, shouldn't we pump all the way here to 96k or 100k? Okay, then you can do whatever you want. But the fact that we've priced in the rate cut already and we're still here below yearly open, okay? Where's yearly open? 93,500. It's a lot of lines, but look at this. 93,500 is the yearly open for BTC in all exchanges. We haven't even reclaimed that. And if we've already priced the rate cut in, this is so disappointing. This is so disappointing. I don't know. Okay, if I don't know, global investors don't know, then you know the government shutdown really screwed everyone over. And what else? What was I gonna say? I forgot. Oh yeah, okay, sorry. Let's get back to crypto bubbles. So, 200 to 300. Ooh, Luna pumping. All right, let's add that to the list as well. Boys, if you just tuned in, anything we see that is pumping on crypto bubbles, especially for the micro caps, we'll add them here on the DGen alerts. Terra Luna Classic already corrected 50%. Luna, I'm thinking of, shorts for these ones. Look at that. It's created a new high today. It's actually been pumping, but this is moving more aggressively than Terra Luna Classic. Interesting. Very interesting. Wow. DGen alerts. Okay. From the lows here towards the high, accepting above. If it creates new value up, then maybe it can go up, but don't put too much weight on it. Okay, let's see. Okay, moving on to 300 to 400. Power, what is this? Is this a power protocol? Okay, up 27%. It doesn't seem that exciting for me. Not familiar with that one. I want to look for assets that I'm familiar with. SXP Solar, what is this? 41 million market cap, up 14% for the day. 500 to 600 rank. Let's see. A8, Ancient 8. I know this. This is one of them airdrops that we tried farming. Yeah, Gaming L2, backed by Dragonfly. Down 86.7% since all-time high. Pretty decent bounce here. Maybe we'll add that. But 27 mil market cap. Alright, 600 to 700. Wait, what is this? OK Zoo. What the heck is that? OK Zoo. It's down 46.5%. What is that? Oh lord, it's gone to the floor. OK Zoo. Alright. Not familiar with this one, so I'm not gonna add this to the list. Hosky. It's a meme coin, dog meme coin. 24 mil market cap. 700 to 800. Let's see what they got. Ika. Uy, my soy lovers. Ika at 17 mil market cap. That is disappointing, brother. Who's still using Ika, by the way? You're still farming airdrops? You're still using Ika? Dude, look at this. It's flatlining. It's going eee. Very sad to see. Mythos. This is a Polkadot gaming chain, but it's also sad to see 19 mil market cap. Okay, rank 800 to 900. What they got? Whoa! I know this. Mind Network. Yes. What? Why the pump? But still, 13 mil market cap. You know, it sucks for me because Mind Network, we farmed that in 2024, early 2024. If you guys tuned in for the during Box Mining Plus, we farmed the airdrop, but I forgot to claim the tokens. Shit, 64.4%, huh? Do they have a perps? Okay. Okay, maybe I can add that to the list. Why not? FHE, USDTP. I'll add that to the list. Potential short, I guess. Degen alerts. Alright. Alright, last but not least, 900 to 1,000. Nothing sexy. Okay. So we got new players in the Degen alerts now. We got Luna and Mind Network. Let's see if they keep going. I'm still eyeing the Alchemist short. 1 hour. But still accepting above 50% of this swing low to this swing high. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Why Luna pumping? I have no idea. Why are they pumping? Let's find out. Why is Luna pumping? Why Luna pump? Someone in Binance Blockchain Week was wearing a vintage Luna t-shirt, suddenly went viral? Nostalgia trading? Huh? At the same time, traders are watching Do Kwon's US trial on December 11th. That's 2 days from now. Expecting it might act as a short-term catalyst to close out this long-existing storyline. So I guess it was like the FTX token pump, I guess, before during late 2023, FTX token pumped because SBF was in the news headlines, I guess. So I guess now it's like the same effect. Sentencing is scheduled for December 11th in New York for Do Kwon. Should receive 12 years in prison for the 40 billion USD collapse. I'm one of the victims. Yeah. So I guess that's why. Yeah. I don't expect it to be long-lived, to be honest. Maybe lower the music slightly. Alright, my bad, my bad. How's everyone doing, y'all? Good, good. Hey. Oh, and also, check this out. I think another underrated narrative is stablecoins. So, not financial advice, but I think how I would approach the stablecoin narrative is potentially buying stablecoin issuer stocks. So Circle has their stock CRCL. It's on NYSE, and they're gonna have a lot of partnerships and a lot of regulations coming up. And if all of the governments in the world are focusing on stablecoin regulation, for sure it's gonna become more legitimized for stablecoin issuers. It's a very long-term play. Okay, I'm thinking like maybe down 20-30 years. If you're interested in dividends from holding these shares, then I think now would be the earliest opportunity to get involved. So recently, just today, Circle has secured a financial services permission license from the Financial Services Regulatory Authority of ADGM, Abu Dhabi, the International Financial Center of Abu Dhabi, to operate as a money services provider in the IFC. Circle stock right now bouncing from the lows. It made a low at $66 on November 20th. I have spoken about Circle in the early November when we were speaking about stablecoin regulations. Now it's bouncing up from the lows. Now it's at $85. Currently, there's no public earnings. Okay, they haven't published any yet. So that's one of the risks as well for buying Circle. It's so early. This is literally an early blue chip. But the narrative is simple. As stablecoins become more legitimized, these players will make a more big impact in the market. And I'm not just talking about the crypto market, but I'm talking about the stock market. Okay? Let's see all-time performance. So its high was at 181, April 2025. It's big discount for the time being. I can expect it potentially to go lower maybe for Circle. Let's see. Circle. Let's see, extended trading hours. It's finding a floor, right, for Circle. Listed at $69 on June 5th this year on NYSE. It's come towards the low and it's bounced back up here. So you can expect this to be the support area for accumulating Circle, but please do your own research if you're going to be getting involved in this. I think for the time being, any pump we see will just be a retracement towards 50% of this impulsive move for Circle, back up towards potentially 102 to 109, and let's see how price reacts once it gets back up here. You also have to recognize that this is another inflection point for Circle here, where it continued to dump and found a bounce here at 113 until eventually, yeah, it got blown through backshots. Okay. Note says if you're 1%, then you might need total 900R to complete 1K to 10K challenge. The 900R it is, brother. 900R it is. What's up, J2? Ball hype at 50, soy at 3. Man, Omer, I feel your pain, bro. I feel your pain. My TIA buy was average at 13. What's that TIA at now? If it's anything less than 70 cents, I'm gonna cry. Oh my god. Oh lord. Yesterday was at the 6. So sad, bro. So sad. Ask J2 as well as about hype. He's a hype maxi, J2. How's the mouse? Mouse doing great. Smooth. Let's try to get a win later. Angela Wang is here. What's up? Alt season starting? Nah, bruh. What alt season? It's not even ETH season. When are we gonna get alt season? You want alt season? You need ETH to break here. Cleanly. Cleanly. Like you compare our high this year versus 2021 high. It's like, okay, I hand in the homework. Okay, I'm done. I made a new all-time high. Like, brother. Yeah, you break previous cycle's all-time high for ETH. But it's like, huh? Meet you halfway? You haven't even created new value above these areas. It's just a wick. Yeah. You need clean break. Then you can have an alt season. But I think the premise for alts is risky in a sense. The best way to play it, honestly, is just to buy high and sell higher. It's very tricky, okay? It was a successful case for me for TIA. Average buy was $13. Bought from 8, 9, 11, 13, and 16. And it went to as high as $20. I would always check my Kepler wallet during early 2024 and I was so happy. I was like, wow, whoo! But I was so attached to, oh, you gotta stake them to get the airdrops that you know, it's like, okay, it goes down to $16. I'm like, it's cool, it's cool, it's still, you know, I'm still up, right? Like I bought at 13, average 13. We're still up, we're still up. All right, come down, come towards $12. I'm like, break even, it's fine, I'll get the airdrop. All right. I'm like, and then what airdrop? All right, during this period, airdrop where? Staking TIA where? Liquid staking TIA, milk TIA, drop money. Where the airdrop at? No airdrop, bro. Sad. Okay. Oh, and also, I think the biggest copium we'll have now for BTC is a couple of, I think yesterday, yeah, Michael Saylor bought nearly $1 billion worth of BTC. It shows commitment. I think he's still doubling down. He's like, nope, you're not gonna force me to sell Bitcoin. I don't care how the stock is doing. Oh, but that's also one big story, I guess. Fundamentals of a coin called Fartcoin. Yo, check this out. Bitwise said this. Wait. Pause the music. Okay, make this louder. Alright, here we go.
Do you really want to be the guy who called crypto correctly but invested in Fartcoin?
Hell yeah! Walk away, brother! Bitwise making a meme ad. I don't know, are they teasing something? Is there going to be a Fartcoin ETF? Oh, yeah, see? Alright, play the music back. Run it back, turbo. Da-da-da-da. Crypto boys here, what's up? How deep you guys are in? 1 to 10K challenge? I'm late or what? Today is day 2, bro. 1K, yesterday we lost because of my mouse. No joke, you should check out this live stream. Now the balance is at, let's see. The balance is at, where did it go? Here, sorry, 983. All right, run it back. Let's see. Oh, it's the new 4-hour candle open. Let's get to work, boys. Let's get to work. Alright, so we've overextended already towards the hourly candle. Can short, but we have another level here. If we're gonna short here, we need to be fast. Ooh. That's a big volume on the 1 minute candle. Maybe can. I don't know. Let's validate it. Let's validate it. Wait, let me get rid of these first. Okay. Let's validate it with our profile. AM. Today is December 9th. Okay, we've come towards the value area high. Maybe we can short. Yeah, maybe. Why not? Back towards here. Short liquidation though. Spot buy, spot sell. I guess I'm waiting for a bearish delta. Damn, copy trading, you guys, don't. Do not. I'm not there yet. Not 80% win rate yet. We're still stuck at 55, bro. But this is the point of this channel, and this is the point of this Discord. So if you're new, Crypto Boy, come to Discord. Come to Discord. Everyone here is on a journey. We only got winners here. 2026, we're gonna make it big. My goal is simple: 80% win rate. Can we do that? Can we do that? Okay. We'll just trail for now, I guess. This Seems interesting. I think BTC will outperform ES and gold in 2026 because we kind of underperformed this year. Maybe. I hope that's the case. Made a new high, break the low. I guess we can try. What if instead of market order, we put a limit order there? Ooh. Oh, music too loud. I got the stake ETH ETF, so bullish for LDO coins. I think I'll wait for a break of this low. But I'm worried it can go higher. Because you created a new high here, then you break its low, but it ranged like this. So this is how I usually get screwed over. You don't know how many times it will do this. It's just the final sequence is what I want to go for. It's coiling up too. Yesterday's price action, we saw BTC coiling up at the highs. We'll just mark this value area high. Maybe wait for low volume node 72.4, so that's 90,587 for BTC. Maybe wait. Oh yeah, Coin Glass Legend chart. No, not yet. I'll check it. Yeah, they are crazy. They're my boys. I'm so proud of them. Super proud of them, what they've accomplished. I wish there would be all season 2 Anita Cho. But no. Projects are barely making any revenue. And there's not really an incentive to hold alts for now, apart from speculation. There's no value holding alts. Can try here? You think so? Made a new high, break this low, right? So we have our entry model. So that's first step already. Let me get rid of this first. Get rid of crypto bubbles. We'll see fund flow 2. Ooh, big buy. Whee! You fucking guy, yeah, you little shit. Multiple big highs here. What if we go with the flow? Continuation. It's such an ugly range too, this. It's so ugly. You see here, this area is the mini version of this area. Ideally, if I want to play here or here. Hey, go now. go now. You break? Yeah. Go now. We'll risk point. I think even just doing this. Where do we target though? Point of control? I feel like we're just gonna get draked here. We're gonna get draked here. 101, 2, 3. 101, 2, 3. Well, I took it because you have a break of this low. You got the break of this low, then you have the break of this low on the pullback. So we met our condition. Now let's see if we get draked or not. Agreed, Project Matrix? Yeah? That's our condition. We met it. Now our fate is up to the market maker's hand. Maybe this is asking for too much. Let me see one more time where the point of control is. 90128. Or market range here, I guess. Okay. Our fate is in the market's hands. This is... Ooh! Great candle. It's worrying too because we are accepting above value area high. So it's a bet. We've been ranging above the value area high. 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 minutes. It's taking too long. I have a feeling we'll get stopped out. I guess it's a bet play. Fun flow bullish. Yeah, let's see if the charts respect our analysis. This looks longable. Can long, yeah. Oh shit. GG. Stopped out. Trade history -5. C -3. Okay. We'll add that to the journal. Why is my database like this? Oh, I need to sign in. Okay, 2 sec. Okay, wants to create a new high again. Here we go for it. If we keep losing like this 10 in a row, we'll just do the opposite. Tuesday, London. Wait for the other zone ATP. It's accepting above value area high. See, if I'm gonna do the opposite and I go long, where do I put my stops? Below the bubbles? But none of these are perps positioned. Offers here already. 6 hours. Good night, Anita Cho. Okay. This is good. This is good. This will tell us, okay? If we lose super consistently doing what I do, then we'll just do the opposite after 10 trades. We'll just long the continuation. Short. Balance now at 970. And also the most important thing is if you lose, don't get tilted. Just think of it like a business. You can't always have a green day. Fees. -3, -3. So we need to add that up. Two, so 7.4025. 7.4025. Okay. Trade number 2. 2 losses in a row. We got a lot of big boys buying already at these areas. Ron, don't stay with 50% win rate on Bingx. You will lose on fees. I know. I'll have to reevaluate again, but let's keep it consistent. Let's just do the same shit for 10 trades in a row, and if it doesn't work, we'll switch it up. Okay. LVN here, let's see. Ron can add, bro. if my math is good, I wouldn't be here, dude. Yeah, why not? Let's do that. Let's do that. Hard to read text on screen? Is it these ones? I'll make it bigger. Lose. So we'll get London data for now since we're only streaming at this time. Note is one of our quant. Bro is smart as hell. 10 trades in a row can still be looking at longs in the same way. It's counterintuitive because you expect reversals at overextended area, but I already knew my mistake. We're in the middle between these range and this range, so I was betting that if we overextend, it'll do something like this, where it'll come back towards the mean and we take profit there. But the fact that we've been ranging up here above the value area high, like we've been consolidating above here, shows price want to go higher. Fuck, dude. Everything's so much easier. Hindsight. Yeah, it's also tunnel visioning on the entry model. So the entry model was simple. created a new high, then you break its former low, higher low. So you just wait for 50% pullback for the same sequence to play out. So new high, low. We shorted here. It went pretty okay, but it created a new high. So this goes to show you entry model alone is definitely not a good enough confluence alone. Like, you need to pair it with others. That's okay. It's fine. Today's second day. We got many more days to come. I just want to show you guys in real time the reality and the thought process of how traders think. And if you find this of any value, smash the like button. Okay, smash the like button. I'm putting myself out there to show you, because who can show you what, you know, I can't really think of any other trading content creators that do this. Just show you live thought process. Don't get fixated on the size, bro. Don't get fixated on the size. You should be focusing more on the process. How do people think? How do people react when they win or lose? Granted, the ones we win on Aster and Lighter, here we go, ape shit crazy. Woo! Yeah, it's always easy to see after, but in the moment it's a probability. But at the same time, all the exchanges know your position, so fit's not an easy thing to get right. But like, yo, my position value is like less than 1K. It's so small, you're not gonna care. Alright, let's see. Let's see how price reacts when it gets here. 905. Least amount of transactions was at this level. Let's also see yesterday's entire profile. POC is also here. Wow, that was a large range. Yes, Ersky. And I'll show you how to turn these losses into a win. We'll wait for this limit order to get filled and then see how price reacts from there. Ideally, if I'm gonna go for a short, I'll wait for price to get accepted back inside 9042, which is the value area high. Let's refresh it to see that is our new. Yeah, it's still our value area high. Either here, if it gets back accepted back inside, I think that's a reasonable thesis. Where's the brush? There's no brush. I guess wait for acceptance back inside. So rejected here, we can try to short, maybe somewhere here, target here, the POC. Oh, I like the path, it's good. Yeah, agreed. Yo, I can't. Hello? Right click, okay. So that would be my first condition, I guess. Second condition is if price wants to go back towards 91,257, this was the new lower high that was created. It's also the open close of, what time was this? 5, 6, right towards US market close. Try another one. Let's see. Might take a while though. Alright, so we'll wait for that condition where price comes back here and bounce up to reject, and then we take that fill. Maybe this time we can try limit. Wait, be right back, boys. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Let's see. Let's see.
What the fuck?
Plastic. I mean, cardboard straw. Alright, some cells coming in. Fuck. Who's still in the chat? Type L. It's in the fridge. They stockpile it. Oh, J2 got a call? What he saying? He's thinking the same idea as me, J2. Yo, chill. Everyone with the L's. I'm really loving the emojis, by the way. And oh, Note's first airdrop of December, lever up Mon. What is that? Touching grass. Michael touching grass, that's the funniest one. Lumitera? This sounds familiar. Oh, look at that. Okay, we got our first condition. It's tapped back towards the value area high. Oh my god, like, you see what I mean, brother? You see what I mean, brother? It's the final sequence. The market would be like, yee, go on, wait some more. You have the sequence playing out. Do try again? It's a clear low now, right? This candle has broken all of these lows. Shift in volume, so the delta has got to be bearish, but not that bearish actually. We've got another sell. Okay, we'll try again. W's in the chat. Are you looking short again, Ron? Yeah. This one looks cleaner. I'm waiting for like a pullback first. I swear to God, if this goes to 101 without me, I'm gonna be mad. You know what? Let's do it like this. Let's put a limit order at exactly 50%. Yo, it's going up already. No, relax. Relax. We'll risk another 5, I guess. Ah, fuck it. Let's risk 10, bro. Okay. We have our limit order. We have our stop loss here. Right? Open order. Yeah. 6 just above here. Whoa, why is it so high? Cancel. Ew, I need to change the thing. Change the thing. Alright, we'll do it old school. Limit order. Limit order. I feel like it's already going without me. We'll risk 10. 10? Yeah? Okay. We'll target the POC right around here. Decent. Okay, we go back to the old school method. Let's do limit order. Will be patient pulling the trigger on my short. Where are you gonna be placing your shorts? J2. Fastest market order in the East. Okay. Let's fix up the fib. Huh? Settings. Hello. I can't change the settings. That sucks. I haven't done limit orders in a long time. Okay. I hope it gets filled and then go. Because this looks much cleaner, yeah? Much more obvious low. It's edging me. No more music? New value area high now. Here. Hype just keep dipping. I want my low 20s buy. Thought you said 31 was your lowest buy. Bro, switching up now. Hype all the way to the moon. I'm mute? No way. I'm mute. Let me know if you guys can hear me. Are you looking for yields too? Nah, it's just mostly parked in Giza. Dude, it's going without me, bro. It's already 1 hour. It tickled. You gotta be shitting me. Oh, absorbing. still okay. I'll still stick with it. Yes, it works, Llama. I would like it to just tap into here, but no higher. I mean, it's gotta, you know what I mean? Like, just tap. Just tap. Just a bit more. Oh, we can drag the. Oh, we can. Yeah. Okay. Oh wait, but my risk. Cool. Looks like it will go higher. Why? I think it's more likely it'll come here first, because this is the value area. But I know what you mean. Like the fact that price absorbed like that is a tiny bit scary. It's making me doubt myself, but don't doubt yourself. You have a plan, stick to it. Doubt is your biggest enemy. It's a risk I'm willing to take. Okay, wait. Let's see what the CVD is like. Perp is overall bearish, but spot is bullish. What? Interesting divergence. Maybe we cancel the order. So this is aggregated perp. It's bearish for the time being, but spot, look at the structural difference. More people are buying on spot. Alright, we don't need these. Ew. Ew. Still looking for a perp bubble. No perp bubble yet. Oh, you're on mute? No sound yet? Bro, CS art design. Are you high? Does Bingx have 1 second chart? 1 minute? Let's see. Yeah, they do. Look at that. Oh, I think it tapped into our order. Oh, the way. Reset chart. Alright, order filled. Why is it lines? How do I switch it back to... yeah, there we go. Candles. Okay, tap and go no more. I would like this to be a dub. Okay. Fund flow, spot, futures. The more red, the better for my position. The delta is predominantly bearish for the past 25 minutes, but price keeps grinding up, suggests someone's market order buying a lot at these levels. The spread is favoring the bid side, it seems, at these levels. Okay. Imagine if we get draked again. Flip long. And flip long, the market will go down, dude. They're going back to their old ways now. Targeting my stop loss. Yesterday they targeted my mouse. Yeah, they got that tech. They got that battery disabling tech. It's crazy. Fund flow spot futures. Spot futures. Oh Lord Jesus. Oh Lord Jesus. Oh my God. GG. Can't catch a break. Time to put in a journal. 3 losses in a row. December 9, Tuesday, London. Fees. Quick maths. Can't do quick maths. 4246 plus 1.76 77 6.1 times 23 6.1923 limit order short BTC. Oh. Amen to 3 losses. It's all good in the hood. It's all in the good. Good. You little shit. Like if you're gonna go up here, yeah? Go up! Go up! Seems the POC's moved to here, right at the top. I'm so tempted to long now. But I don't know that model. Like, let me see one more time. Because it can go all the way up here. What do you say? Where are you playing your music from? YouTube. YouTube. Bingx account balance now at 953 after 3 losses. Counter trends are so annoying in BTC. How do you even play continuations? Reversal is all I know. 5% down? Yeah, seems like it. The model you're using is no good for BTC, bro. I suggest you use it for what it's meant for. Well, so far, especially after October, it's not working. Keep getting draked. So we go continuation, I guess. But how? If we're gonna long here, where do we place our stops? Here? It's also worrying because we're at the local highs. Yeah? We're right at the value area. If you're gonna long now, where are you gonna put your stops? I'm actually curious. I'm gonna ask Michael to make a fun tweet to reverse your fortunes. Nah, bro. I ain't no bitch. I don't need no help. I've tried it before. Just stick to NQ and what it's for. You mean what? Reversals? I want to see how price reacts after this hour. So we got 8 minutes left until the new hourly candle. Damn, you got two big boys selling and buying at the same time. It's dicking around here. Okay, wait. Let's take this time to also look at my past wins. I want to see. I think price. I tried trading XA and Bingx. Maybe can actually. XAU. So price 4187 on Bingx. Let's just compare the live price of 4189, 4187. There's a bit of a difference there. But you can kind of arbitrage it. Correcting. Decline. Oh yeah. The Binance Blockchain Week. Peter Schiff versus who? Was it CZ? I think price, yeah, the battle of the titans. Wait. Can't arbitrage fees on Bingx. Can't arbitrage fees on Bingx is higher, and their spreads is also high for XAU as well. Yeah, I tried with Bybit too. So scalping XAU on Bingx To be fair, it's not a wise choice. Even on lighter, like, this is the order book. How many points you got for lighter? 10. 10 points. Four o'clock here. Wow. Barcode action, but slow grind. Ooh, fart coin though. Damn, look at that. Hedge myself with a fart coin long, dude. No one in history has ever said that sentence. First in human history. I'm hedging my portfolio with fart coin. Fart coin. What do you think lighter value per points will be? I think someone here said the OTC is like $50 for 1 point. I don't know if that's true, because I looked for lighter OTC points. Oh yeah, you can here. Yeah, these are the rates you get now, but it's definitely not 1 point for $50. There's no way. They're offering $41 for 256. Ooh, BTC back to the 400s. Maybe now it will go. You are really tempting me. But you need to break up these lows, because new high here, its higher low is here. You see what I mean? It's so frustrating. Because what ends up happening is I was right. It's just which sequence is the final move. Earlier here, that was not. Earlier here, I thought even more confidently that would be, because it's a cleaner low. Here, what if it breaks here? And then suddenly, fuck you. No one cares about your sequence. No one cares about your entry model. It really do be like that. Why would they watch me? Ah. Don't screenshot your trades. Alright, 2 more minutes. Bit iffy. I'm trying to look for the ones on Aster. I'm looking at my other journal. Let me see, Aster. Oh, that's all the way back. Is it this one? Nah. Oh, but I can show you one of the cleanest wins I've done using this entry model. I'm trying to find it. Summer 2025. Soul 300. Closer towards the end of the day. I think it's this one. Limit order soul. This one. Eh? No. Ah, so messy. Dude. Final sequence. It's the final countdown. I'll just watch, I'm not gonna trade. Because it's more than 1 hour lost today. But I'm betting something like this again. It's a bit different now because the POC for on Binance perps is here. 1.8k amount of money on the Delta as exchange here. It's right at the value area high. Maybe we're primed for a move up. Like if I'm in a long, I would wait. I would enter somewhere here, maybe here, stops here, target here. It's actually pretty okay. Right? You can connect Perplexity to Notion and let AI analyze your journal as well. Yeah, I can actually try that. Perplexity is kind of goated. NY streams today will happen. Actually, boys, I'm not going to be doing night streams. It's too taxing for my body. And we're not getting new viewers too, so we'll just divert that energy and time towards something else. But if we get like, 500 live viewers or 1,000, then fuck yeah, I'll stream at night. But don't worry, like, I'll still be here with you guys. We'll be on Discord, chat. We can hop on the voice channel together. It's all good. But yeah. Okay, so let's see if that will happen. But we're gonna end the stream here, boys. 3 losing streaks. It's all good. It's all good in the hood. You know what I'm saying? That's part of trading. Just treat it as a business. So far $50 loss. We need 50 to break even. I'll spend a bit more time to review on these trades too. It's really bugging me out since October. We'll find What's wrong? So in the meantime, boys, like this video, rate this video, subscribe to this channel, come to Discord if you haven't already, come chat. Damn, Dami, Limbo, and Mans are still trading. That's crazy. Come join Discord. Especially, sorry, if you're new to the channel, come join Discord. Before December 16th, we have a Christmas party coming, and we're gonna be doing a lot of giveaways, so you want to take advantage of that. All right? Yes, sir. All right, boys. My name's Ron. Shanana.